Hey guys, what's up? My name is Lucas. I'm here in New York City now, and today I want to talk with you guys. So the big question is how to make money online.
Thank you for your post, for your like, for your click. Thank you for your love, for your care, for your kind.
Thank you. First of all, we are creators. I am a creator. I'm a YouTuber, a digital influencer. I have my vlog, Instagram, my blogs, and few social medias. I love to create my contents here. Every time that I create a new video, oh my gosh, it's like, wow, I don't believe I did it. Because it's so cool. And there are things that I love to do. And I'm pretty sure if you are my fan, you do love what I do too, because otherwise you won't be here. I believe that means you like what I do. And I hope so. To create different contents takes time and a lot of money. Believe me, a lot of money. And when our fans supporting us as YouTubers, that's a huge motivation that we get from you guys. I do believe your fans will easily help you to support what you do and help you to make it better and better. And how to do it, I introduce you Juble It. Juble It is a new platform that helps your fans to help you to create better content to them. They can donate $1 anytime they want to with just one click, and it will take 3 seconds or less to do it. If you want to make a try, just click here in the link below. Or if you want to be a part of Juble It and get your account, it's for free. Just click here, like right here, and you will see it. It's pretty easy, believe me. How Juble It works: if you are a creator in any platform, you just go there and create your own account. So with Juble It, you can connect the link with any platform. Like the same I connected here on my YouTube channel, you can connect on Instagram, on your blog, vlog, site, Facebook, whatever. Any platform that you work on, you can connect the link over there. And if you have a website, you can connect it directly over there, the bottom of the Juble It. So people just need to go there and click it. And that's it. Easy and fast. What are you waiting for? You just need to click over there and boom. The Juble It link can be attached to any platform, on posts, comments or profiles. When our fans click on the link on the bottom of the website, when they click there, they help us with $1. And the payment's made with PayPal. So it's safe and easy. You just need to have a PayPal account. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to support me to create more videos and better contents, please click here below and help me with this. I do appreciate your help. Thanks for watching my video, and I see you guys next time. Bye! So if you don't know how to do it, if you don't know how to sign up for free, click here and the link below and let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it. So first I'm going to sign up for free. Facebook. I'm going to use my Facebook because I believe most of you guys have Facebook too. Or if you're a YouTuber, you must have a Google email address. Continue. Welcome to Juble It. Here, when you connect with your Google or your Facebook account, you just add your profile settings. You add your credit card because you do want to get paid for that. And you add your PayPal account. So that's how people are going to get paid or pay you, and then that's it. After you fill it up all of this information, you just click here and it's gonna open this creator tools. So here's your link. You just click there. I had the button here too. So if I want, I can connect to my website, custom tank. Oh, this is very important. So you can actually say thank you for those who donate money for you. You can personalize that, saying with your words a better thank you than just thank you. And now I just click on my link and this is what shows me here. And they can donate $1, $5, $10 or how much they think I deserve. Oh, and also don't forget about, after you create your profile, they're going to send you an email. If you connect your Juble It with your Facebook, go to the spam or in the trash and take a look at the email. It's there. If you don't receive it in your inbox, go and check in the trash or in the spam. Should be there. So you click there and you automatically create your account, and that's it. Good luck. One more time, thank you guys for watching my videos, and I see you next time. Bye.